Hi, this is Alan Ackles. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in Perrysburg, Ohio, home to one of Quanex's many manufacturing facilities that span the globe. Quanex is a leader in the production of high-quality window and door screens designed specifically for residential applications across North America. This facility is among 10 strategically located operations nationwide, ensuring that they are well-positioned to serve their OEM customers effectively. Together, these facilities deliver an impressive output of over 125,000 window screens and 22,500 door screens each day, solidifying their status as a top performer in the screens market. Their dedicated teams provide unparalleled quality, service, and delivery, including sequenced orders tailored to customer production schedules, a diverse array of sizes and types, and advanced, data-driven automation that guarantees compliance with the highest quality assurance standards. For nearly a century, Quanex has served a wide range of end markets, collaborating with leading OEMs to provide innovative solutions in the window, door, solar, refrigeration, hardware, custom mixing, rubber compounds, building access, and cabinetry markets. In every application, as these screens in Perrysburg, Quanex contributes to enhanced energy efficiency, occupancy comfort, safety and security, and more throughout homes and buildings around the world. Quanex is a global community of talented employees working together to be a part of something bigger. It means that they're more than just a manufacturer. They're working to build a brighter future for their customers, the communities where they operate, and the world. And it all starts at plants like this one. Learn more about Quanex at Quanex.com. This is Alan Ackles for Manufacturing Marvels.